In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free premium seed packs in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So it's actually quite simple, guys. Now over here at the very middle of your island over here, as you can see, there's now been a new update. So the Easter update is gone and we now have this new update, which is basically this hungry plant or angry plant, whatever you want to call it. Now, it's glitching right now for me, not sure why, but of course there's this plant and the two chests. Now, what you have to do to get the premium one, so as you can see, this is the premium seed pack, to actually be able to get this, you'll have to walk up to this plant and feed it whatever it wants. So, right now it wants a daffodil that weighs at least 0.22 kilograms. Now, what you have to do is then of course get the daffodil or wherever it says. So sometimes it's going to be tomatoes, strawberries, blueberries, whatever it says. You want to get it, make sure it's at least that weight, have it in your hand like this, click on take this plant, and after that it will basically take your plant, eat it, and in favor it will give you a seed pack. Now those are going to be normal seed packs, so you're going to get one of these things over here, either raspberry, cranberry, durian, or eggplant. However, after you feed it 50 times, so you feed it 50 things basically, you will get yourself a premium seed pack. And of course, in that premium seed pack, here's what you can get, and there are the chances of you actually getting this. Now, this is how you can get this completely for free. Of course, you can buy it as well. As you can see, one costs 200 Robux, so 199. But of course, if you don't want to spend your Robux, the best way would just be, as I just told you, to basically feed this plant over here 50 times, and then you'll get it. And inside here, as you can see, there's a bunch of different things that are very, very cool. So if you want to get this, make sure you feed the plant what it wants, and then you will get yourself a hold of one of these. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.